What's up, all you hippies and deadheads? This is Todd from Industrial Comfort. Yep, guilty as charged. So today I'm going to show you how to make this incense burner on the lathe. Now, jokes aside, my lovely, amazing, beautiful wife asked me to make this for her because we put a fire pit in the backyard that's gas, and we really miss that aroma of fresh burned wood. So the experiment here is to see whether putting an incense burner out there will actually give us that effect. So let me show you how I made this. I'm going to start the project by cutting a ring from this 1.5-inch pipe nipple, and this will serve as the insert for the incense burner. I have a steel plate that I'm going to punch into the bottom of this ring so that the wood doesn't get burned.